ABC Trainerize. Now, ABC Trainerize has to do with being the #1 coaching app to better engage your clients. That's right. That's what it's for. Take a coaching online and deliver an experience like nothing your clients have ever seen before, with fitness, nutrition, and habit coaching features, plus in-app messaging, progress tracking, and more. It is everything you need to motivate and inspire. Enter your email to get started and start a trial and enjoy 30 days free for unlimited clients, no credit card required. You can see we're looking for mobile too. So digitalize the member experience for coaches and fitness businesses of all sizes. That's for digitizing. That's what Trainerize, ABC Trainerize does. So it helps, gives online training where you can sell more coaching and boost your PT profits. Also engage with your community every day. So get and keep more clients, give clients options, automate payments and program delivery, show off your brand. You can join the movement by engagement of about 400k plus personal trainers and coaches and 45k plus health and fitness businesses power their coaching and membership experience with ABC Trainerize. So where you get independent trainers, studios and gym, clubs and franchises. You can find out more by clicking on each of them. So this app is a question. They connected the world's most powerful tools for fitness and businesses. You can see them. We can encourage clients to join this. It's so easy. So you start your free 30-day trial, and before your business goes with ABC Trainerize, enter your email and get started. You can also download your free pricing guide to find out much more.